Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the Piers Team, out here on day 2 in Kansas City. As you can see right here, we have excavated below the sinking steps out here on the side of the house. We are in the process of getting our King Pier raised, so we just got a little bit more to do. We're waiting on getting this hole finished up for that corner, which should be done here later today. So by the time that we leave, we'll be able to get both piers into place, locked in, and probably concrete tomorrow to fully encase those in high-strength concrete. And then the other portion of this project is right inside here, this little room addition. A lot of the existing wood covering up the ceiling there is rotting out, so we're going to get that all taken care of and replaced, properly supported using these 6x6 treated wood support posts, and just properly get everything back into place. So moving right along, again, we'll have both our piers in here by the end of today. Tomorrow we'll try to get concrete in here to get those encased, and then that's just finishing up everything else. The base right here that was underneath this column was rotting out, so we're going to get that removed, replaced, looking a lot nicer than what was pre-existing. So all in all, we're moving along just fine. Stay tuned for more updates. You can find them on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always just give us a call, 816-288-4373.